Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did this hairstyle on my daughter. It is a 2-strand twist hairstyle and I think it turned out really cute. So as always, the first thing I'm doing is detangling her hair. I just washed it and now I'm going to go ahead and use our As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Yogurt leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to rake that through and then comb it with our comb to detangle it. Now I'm going to go ahead and make our first part for the hairstyle, and it's going to be maybe a little bit below the top of her ear, as you can see here, and I'm going to go straight across the back of her head. Now I turned this back section into 3 separate sections to make 3 separate twists, but obviously it is completely up to you how many twists you end up doing. I am now going to use some Edges gel. This is just for me smoothing edges cream, and this is definitely optional, but I just like to do it so that I can make the hairstyle look clean. And I'm going to use a toothbrush just to smooth out the edges and gather all the little hairs together. Now if you saw my most recent video, it is all about how we do 2-strand twists. This is completely up to you and how your hair reacts, I guess, to doing twists and whether or not they'll stay in depending on how you do them. I braid the top and then twist all the way down and then braid at the bottom because that's the only way a twist will stay in my daughter's hair, but definitely do whatever works best for you. Now I've made the second section, which is about an inch above her ear as far as where I parted it off, and I'm gonna go ahead and start making these smaller sections and turning them into twists. Now with all of my hairstyles, how you style it is completely up to you and what you like. You can just tie it off at the ends. If the twists will stay in without doing anything, you can just leave them be. We put beads on the end of ours and I think it turned out really cute. So this is what it looks like at the back of the head right now. And now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the top of her head. The first thing you need to do is split the hair in half. And this next part, I really don't like the fact that I didn't get a good video of me doing it, but basically I took each half of her head and split it in half again. And you can tell from the picture how I did it. I kind of made them all come from the same point in the center of her head. And I'm just going to go ahead and braid each section back. So I ended up liking how it looks with a rubber band at the base of the braid. This is definitely optional. You can just braid it back and then turn it into the twist without the hair tie. If you're going to use a hair tie, do it before you make the twist, but I didn't even think about it until I had already finished the twist, and so I added the hair tie afterwards. But this is what it looks like when you're all done. I think this hairstyle is super cute. It's a great protective hairstyle that you can leave in for as long as your hair will let you leave it in for. And yeah, I hope you liked it. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, and we will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!